In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to add these Spanish subtitles on this English-based video clip. Now, all these I'm going to do it using an AI tool called FlexClip. Now, to get started, go on your browser and search for FlexClip. Log into the website. So once you are logged into the website, go ahead and create your account. We are going to use this AI translate tool that is offered by FlexClip to be able to translate that clip from English and add Spanish subtitles. So to get started, you can directly click here and upload your video. Alternatively, you can come and create a video. And on create video, we have AI translate option that you can use. So let's click on AI translate. Now, for our case, we want to translate audio to text. So let's click on translate audio to text. Now, the first thing before we translate, we need to upload our file. And here we can go to media. And from media, you can either browse if you already have it on your cloud. Alternatively, if you don't have it in your cloud, just go ahead on your desktop, find the video, and then upload it. Wait for it to be uploaded. And once it's done, click on this plus button to add it on the timeline. So let's play the video.
Real. That when people come together, when people love.
As you can see, it does not have subtitles and it is in English. So for us to add the subtitles, click on Tools. And from here now we have the Translate Audio to Text option. Now, because the original language is English. Now choose target language. This is the language you want to translate it to. For our case, we want to translate it to Spanish. And then we want to do this on all scenes and audio. So go ahead and click on Translate once you are done. Now from here, wait for some moments as it translates. While it is translating, I'll ask you to kindly subscribe on this channel and hit the like button to support me. It is done. Now let's go ahead and see if the translations were captured correctly.
Real. That when people come together, when people love, change can happen. I don't know how many of y'all were here in the beginning, but I explained how this all happened today. I texted my friend, Chance, right?
So as you can see, the Spanish translations or the Spanish subtitles have been added to our English video clip successfully. So once you are done, you may need now to go ahead and download your video and use it wherever you want. So to do so, first let's go and give it a title. Now it has been saved successfully. To download, go ahead and click on export. And here we have an option to export our file. Now, if you have a free account, you'll be able to download up to 720 pixels. But if you have a paid account, you'll be able to download 1080, that is HD, or even in 4K format. I like to leave the rest as it is, 30 frames per second, and the quality as recommended. Go ahead and click on export. So from here, wait for about a minute as it renders and downloads your project. And there it is. It has been downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it and also play externally using VLC.
Real. That when people come together, when people love, change can happen. I don't know how many of y'all were here in the beginning, but I explained how this all happened today. I texted my friend, Chance, right?
So that's it. That's how you translate any video clip to any language using FlexClip. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.